So as a marketing guy, I was trying to give everybody kind of a wow moment of the power of AI. And as I said, I've been using Claude for quite some time, and I've been using Claude for the last week to kind of build out what I can create while this presentation was going on. And this is all kind of the technical stuff that was going behind the scenes while the conversations were happening. So to give you some context, what we were working on is uploading all the audio from the keynote presentation, the panel presentation, and photos. And the prompts I was giving it was, can you create a website, PowerPoint presentation, as well as an infographic one-pager of the recap of the conversation we had. So it took some time to create, and again, it's not perfect, but I wanted to show you what a website looks like within 10 minutes of uploading everything. So you can see that I uploaded all of our fonts and understanding who we are. And I'm one that gives it all the data. So I was a 3, right? And it knows everything about me and everything about our company, except for no PII information like that. So no, your information is safe with us. But you can see it kind of took kind of the key top line information of what we're doing here. I'm sorry, this is, yeah. Let me move over here. The people that attended, a full room of curious conversations, a few honest fears, picked up their box lunches. Unfortunately, the photos didn't come through. So letting you know there is some errors sometimes when creating that. So then Dr. Levy actually said is why curiosity is safer posture, and goes into some quotes that she kind of put out there. As she started, right? I am now your phone a friend around AI. You can email me, I'll email you back. And then kind of a top line of what the topics were for the keynote, and then some concepts that kind of came out of it, right? These are all quotes that she kind of put out there and looks pretty well, right? This could trick you like it was a real website. And then it goes into the panel conversation that Miller moderated and kind of had the questions out there and was supposed to be a photo, didn't come through. The panelists' names, some of the themes that they discussed, what we use right now, what we're cautious about, where it's going, and humans still matter. The temperature turns up. I like that, right? So and it's funny enough, it asked me, so if you go to the prior iteration here, it might not show it. It asked me if I wanted to add that or not. So I think it kind of picked up on the tone and asked, would you like to include it? I said, definitely. And then some of the responses from the panel, some more photos that didn't show up, and then what we want to leave you with, right? So this, I think, hopefully distills the 2 hours we had in here. Stay curious. That's your best safeguard. Think transportation, not bicycles. The industry isn't asking if anymore, it's asking how responsively. Human in the loop is the point, not the limitation. And your advisor matters more than AI world, not less. And then a bunch of quotes from the afternoon, and so forth. So hopefully that kind of shows you what could be done in a limited amount of time, but also needs a human to create it. So with that, thanks for attending, and have a great rest of your afternoon.